wig on my sister. As I already got my hair done, so she's gonna be my special guest on my channel. She has featured on my channel like a few times, so it ain't nothing new. But yeah, she do have a YouTube channel, so y'all can go ahead and click the link so y'all can get her YouTube channel. She don't have no videos out yet, but she'll probably have a video out, one video out by the time I upload this video. But we gonna see. Go see how consistent she gonna be. But y'all can follow me on my Instagram. Y'all can follow her on her Instagram. This one will be linked in my description box below. The reason why I'm holding my iPad is because I have to know what I'm gonna say, okay? So this wig that they sent me is an Indian deep curly wig. So I never got Indian deep wave. Usually I just get regular deep wave. I didn't even know it was a different type of deep wave. So this is Indian deep wave, and it is a 13x4 frontal. This hair is from SVT, if I didn't already mention. So SVT sponsored this video. They sent me this wig to install on somebody. So, you know, we love that. Okay, we love it. So I'm gonna show y'all what they sent in the bag, and then I'm gonna show y'all the wig. I did already bleach the knots on the wig. That's why it's not inside the little paper bag that the plastic bag come in. So it comes with 3 caps. So they sent me 1, 2, and I have another one inside this hair band because I ain't gonna use that on her. So they sent 2 caps. Boom. We love a company that gives out gifts, you know. They sent 2 headbands, cheetah print and also cheetah print, leopard print, whatever it's called. I think this leopard print, this cheetah, whatever. Cute. Then they sent me, y'all, 3 lashes. So boom, if y'all wear lashes, go ahead, cut them up, put them on your eyelashes, do whatever you guys do. And then they also sent me like some little makeup brushes, which I love when they send like little goodies. It's just like, oh, that's so cute. But I'm probably gonna like use this one for my eyebrow. The light is so bright, y'all, literally. I'm gonna probably use this one for my eyebrow and use these for like hair. But yeah, so this is what y'all really been waiting for. Y'all don't really care about the other stuff. So this is how the wig looks in the inside. Like I said, I did bleach the knots already, so it is kind of, you know, bleached, duh. So this is how the front looks. It looks really freaking good. Like the knots, some of the knots are still visible, but you know, we gonna hide them. We gonna do what it got to do. The hair is very, very like fluffy. I did let it air dry, then I blow dry and like that. It's 24 inches too, so we're gonna really see if you hold up to 24 inches, because right now it's not really looking like 24 inches, you feel me? But I'm pretty sure it is. I'm not gonna knock it until I put it on her head, okay? But yeah, I don't really have nothing else to say. I'm gonna start off with the wig cap already installed, just because she has locks. So it's kind of like, I don't really have to show y'all the braid down process because there's nothing to braid down. But I'm gonna come back to y'all when the time's right, okay? Bye, y'all.
Hi, guys. Today I want to get a frontal. And what else I'm getting?
That's it. Curly deep wave.
I'm getting a curly deep wave frontal put on. As you can see, my size is growing.
Yep.
So I want to get a frontal here, then I'm gonna get it banged, and then I'm gonna get it filled here all the way down here, and have it come like that. Subscribe to my channel.
Okay, y'all, so as I can see, my daddy just wants to be in a freaking video. I'm dead, but here I'm putting on my sister wig cap, and I'm actually cutting it off. Boom, y'all see that? I'm super close to the camera, so the lighting was kept getting flushed out, but we gonna act like we ain't see that. She always talking about my lips dry, my lips. Like, girl, ain't nobody looking at your lips. But I went in and put that cream foundation makeup on that cap, girl. It looked real good, like it's matching her skin tone so far. Boom. Real cute. We over here talk about some tea, so don't be trying to read her lips. Not too much, okay? Not too much. But y'all see that wig? Look at that bounce. Wow. Yeah, real cute. So I'm putting it on her hair right now to measure it. And y'all, when y'all measure y'all wigs, make sure y'all put them things on exactly how y'all gonna glue them on. Cut them ear tabs out, do all that stuff. I didn't really like this hairline, as y'all see. She kind of like she got a lining, so I kind of went in and like cut some of the stuff on the side off. But I do not like the fact that it looked like she got a lining. That's not cute at all. But I went in with my Ghost Bond. My Ghost Bond got a hole at the bottom, so I am turning that thing upside down to use it, period. I don't got $25 more to spend on some more Ghost Bond. I'm going to wait till this thing completely empty, G. So I'm going in right here using the comb. I'm doing 3 layers, I think. But I'm going to mute y'all, and I'm going to let y'all listen to music. We have another TikTok, boom.
Okay, look. Y'all be trying to TikTok. Why your gun so stiff? Let me, cause I'm trying to mess up, bro.
It's not that I want you here. Yeah. It's not the way you say to my eyes. I know that I can make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. You get away. Palm trees, beach views, and every day. All I wanna do is in the pictures on replay. One next to you. You
Okay, I'm back, and right here I'm going in with that edge band so it can be real melted. I did actually spray with some, I think it's called like Got to Be Free Spray, or I think no, I use Ebon. I use that Ebon black spray to, you know, make sure it's real melted. Then I put the band on. So right here I'm just cutting lace off because she couldn't really see. Don't nobody want to know lace in their face. That's doing too much. So I did end up pulling her hair up into a ponytail so I can make sure I'm cutting all the right lace off. The hair was so poofy, it was getting all everywhere. So I just put it up in a little ponytail. No, it will not be styled like this, so not too much. At this moment, I kind of realized that I glued the wig a little too far down her forehead because look at how close it is to her edges. Like, oh my God, if y'all do this to y'all client, I'm not gonna lie, y'all might just have to take the whole wig up. But since it was my sister, I just left it on there. But of course, if it was like somebody that was paying me, I wouldn't do them like that, G. And I didn't even notice until I started to do her edges. So it was basically too late at that point. She was already irritated, frustrated, moving around like a damn toddler. So it was like nothing I could really do. But just so y'all know, don't do that. Don't be like me, okay? Put the lace further back. So as you can see right here, it looks really good. Like look at the curls. She did want a middle part, so I am going in with a comb to part the middle down, and I'm just using my hot comb and my, what's that stuff called? My slick stick, to make sure that the hair laying real flat. So I'm gonna let y'all listen to some music.
Get away, on trees, beach views, and every day. All I wanna do is in bitches on replay. Right next to you, try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you were, but we don't really want to. I just wanna get away, just stay right next to you. I wanna kiss you, yeah, I just wanna feel you. I want you around.
Okay, so we taking off that melted band. Y'all see how melted it is, but I did have to go in on the other side with some Q-tips and alcohol to get that little glue up. It did like seep down a little bit, which is always fun because y'all know we can get it out. I did actually tweeze her. I tweezed her face up. She's so like I think I'm convinced she hate when I do her hair, but it's cool because Charlie Air, she my little test dummy or whatever they call it. So right here I'm just parting her edges. This part is very important because you have to part out the edges. Like some people just part a big line of hair, which I honestly could have did that, but I don't know why I didn't do that because looking at this strategy, I don't like it. I should just part with hair and edges. But anyways, I'm gonna lay her edges with some Nairobi and then some regular edge control. But I think that's pretty much it. I did spray her part with some black spray after the fact. So yeah, I did add Nairobi and water to the hair, but it would not take. Like, what the heck? But that's okay too, because it ended up coming out really cute. Yeah, curl them edges. Y'all do see them tabs coming up. I did go in and glue them back down. I'm cutting into like, what's it called? A jagged type motion. And then I'm using the, my little flyers that I barely use. But you feels me. Okay? Real cute.
All the words inside my head, I'm fired up and tired of the way that things have been. Oh,
47. What's it? 49? What is it? 45? I'm 49. 47?
AK-45 is crazy.
What is it? What is it? AK-40 what? What is it? Throw me out.
47.
It's a bad bitch. PYT him. And it's the... Okay, y'all. So this is how her hair ended up turning out. It's like the little curly type of look. It's poofy now because like the water in the Nairobi not holding in the hair. Like for some reason I keep putting it in the hair and it keep poofing up. Yeah. So maybe we need to try a different type of whatever. But this is how the hair look. Boom. I actually burned her right here, so we couldn't even do the edges the right way. But y'all get the idea. Boom.
I survived. I'm a soldier.
Yeah, she did. Period.
And my hot pickle stood in the background because she didn't let me finish eating my
Bro,
hot
hair kept getting in there. But make sure y'all follow me on my Instagram. Follow me on Instagram. This wig will be linked in my description box below. Thank you to SVT for sending me this wig. It's so freaking pretty. Boom.
I'm cute, y'all. That's all I have to say. Love my hair.
Period.
Yeah.
She said she love her hair. I don't know if she's telling the truth, but yeah.
You know I like big hair. I like big hair.
Get into it. But yeah. I'll talk to you on my next video. Bye.
Little boy hit like bleach. Little boy did my bitch. Got me mad shit. So I slapped the bitch.